मंत्री जी। और अब कॉफी टेबल बुक को रिलीज करने का अहम क्षण आ गया है। मैं माननीय रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह से विनम्र अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कॉफी टेबल बुक का लोकार्पण करें। और अब माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी से निवेदन कि इस कॉफी टेबल बुक की एक प्रति माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति को भेंट करें। प्रकाशन विभाग द्वारा इस कॉफी टेबल बुक का ई वर्जन भी तैयार किया गया है। मैं केंद्रीय सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्री माननीय श्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी से गुजारिश करती हूँ कि कॉफी टेबल बुक का ई वर्जन रिलीज करें। ये कॉफी टेबल बुक फिजिकल।
Rajnath Singh ji, we belong to a generation that believed more in the real world, where Prakash ji more at ease with the virtual reality. Change is the only constant of life. Virtual reality has emerged as the present day reality, and it shows up in today's event of releasing publication on my last 3 years in office, with very few participating physically. Of course, lakhs will be. देखते रहेंगे, दूरदर्शन में भी है, राज्यसभा टीवी भी है और अन्य चैनलों में भी. This is the new normal of life, as we all seek to cope up with the coronavirus-induced restrictions. ये restrictions का ये पेंडिंग में है, पैंडेमिक का. इसका एंडिंग कब होगा मालूम नहीं. फिर भी हम लोग आशा करते हैं जल्द से जल्द हमको इससे मुक्त मिलेगा. By inclination, I love to be with the people, not miss the people, to the maximum extent possible. That is how I have lived over the last 4 decades of my public life, till that new reality has come to stare us in the form of this coronavirus. Honestly, the initial days of confinement since March 25th, this year has not been easy for me, I must admit it. Then I took a deep breath and reflected on the new reality and summoned the internal reserves to find the way forward. The answer was to stay calm and to reset the mind to define the new normal of life. And I got adjusted. Today's release of the publication is the 3rd series on my efforts, the outcome of the Vice President of India and the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The publication titled Connecting, Communicating and Changing primarily defines the contours of my mission and the outcomes. The last 1 year since August 2019 has been a mix of hectic public engagements over the first about 8 months, followed by the corona-induced uneasy slowdown. The first phase was marked by about 20 public engagements per month. I spoke at over 70 public events on a range of issues and addressed 14 convocations during this period. The last year. My target groups have been the farmers, who are my first love, the youth, including the students, who are the future of our nation, the scientists and experts who offer solutions to make our life better and make us happy, the administrators who really implement the policies that are formulated, the captains of industry who add to our wealth, and the doctors and others who take care of our health, and the Indian diaspora while I am on foreign visits. The main objective of connecting and communicating with these target groups was to share with them my experiences, my concerns, my worldview, and the way forward for building a new India, strong, stable, prosperous India. Besides knowing their perspective, trying to understand their aspirations. It was all smooth till the virus broke out, because I was meeting, greeting, talking, walking, interacting, and then later acting on the interaction. That was all very comfortable. But since the virus, it's a new normal. Since March this year, the Mission Connect acquired a different dimension. With no travel, no physical meetings, the only way to keep connected was through the medium of technology. As I came in terms with myself after the initial hesitancy, since the lockdown, I was keen to know how my old and long-term acquaintances were coping with the corona threat. As these enquiries proved beneficial, I scaled up the mission. I reached to around 1,600 or so people, including school, college, and university mates. I enjoyed it. They also enjoyed. The teachers, the colleagues, legislators, including almost all the members of the Rajya Sabha. I personally spoke to them. And also our media friends who are working and who are